Okay guys, so today we're going to be talking about accessories, and in particular we're going to be talking about the single loop wrist strap, or yeah, straps, that's right. Now, how do we actually use these bad boys? Well, what you're looking for is obviously we're going to go through the loop. However, to judge which side or which hand this actually goes on, the tab will run through the thumb and the first finger. If you find that your tab's running towards your pinkies, then you're on the wrong hand. So put it through like so. One. Okay, create, I don't know, a loop and around the wrist. So we want the fat part here that's on the inside of the loop coming into your palm like that. From there, we just pull nice and tight and keep that nice and tight. Now, from this position, what we want to do is make sure that we loop the excess or the rest of the strap around the barbell, the dumbbell, whatever it is that we're trying to pick up and make attached to our hands. Or whether a chin-up bar. Chin-up bar is really good actually. Create stability through your hands. Here's a little extra fact. So the least stable bone will always move to the most stable bone. So with most things, the least stable bone is obviously where the hand connects to the free weight. However, when it comes to a chin-up, the most stable bone is actually your forearm, and your body is the least stable section. So there's a little tip for you, a little extra bit. Anyway, so we'll put it on. It's running between our thumb and our finger. Now we want to connect it to the dumbbell. So we want it so the dumbbell sits in this section like so, and not with the tab running over the top. All right, and the reason being is because when we get to the nitty-gritty part, which is the part where we actually strap in and pull tighter, we want to crank it like a motorbike, by the way, so vroom, vroom, vroom. When we crank it like a motorbike with our hand, you will see that, oh God, you will see, really bad example, but as we crank it, it will get tighter and tighter to your hand. And before you know it, it will feel as if it's a part of your hand. So you can see there that it's being nice and tight, whereas if I go over the top and try and crank it like so, it's a fucking nightmare. Yeah, you can see it just, oh my God. Doesn't quite get there. So again, we want this strap to go underneath. We want it in between our hand, and then the strap coming over underneath, pulling in nice and close, and strapping in nice and tight. And there you have it. That is how we use a single loop strap. Again, so just recap, come through your thumb. If it goes towards your pinky, you got it on the wrong hand, and make sure you are wrapping underneath the dumbbell rather than over the top of the dumbbell or barbell or whatever you're connecting yourself to. You can use them for anything that you're pulling or using your hands for. So there you go. That is your tip for today. I hope you like it for the single loop strap.